Hi everyone, I'm Aricho Viswas from Repair Group. So today I'm coming for a description or giving a short example regarding the geyser. So basically in our daily life, in our necessary life, so we are using, every home we are using this geyser. So today I'm telling you that this geyser has some issues or some problems that can be happen with you or every guys. So never open your geyser when you are working. So you have to mention, or you have to uh, thinking about it that don't on your geyser at that time when you are working. So you just concentrate about your geyser. So basically this geyser has two parts. One is element and second is the tank. When the water is coming from the element and it's stored in this tank, and in it there is a coil which is actually heated by the current. So you have to remember, don't open your geyser anytime, because it can be an accident for you. It can be body itself, when you are coming and you touch this your geyser, so it can be happen an accident to you. So I will suggest you that never open your geyser when you are working or you are sleeping. And just you basically thinking that no, I'm watching the TV right now, so you open your geyser or on your geyser and you are just going to sleep or going to watch the TV. And after 30 minutes, after 1 year, when you come that the geyser heated is too much and you just touch it, and it can be a problem. So always I'm telling you that never open on your geyser without any reason. When you are actually using this geyser, so concentrate about it. So thank you. Take care.